have you here as we unveil our brand new cosmetics line. And trust me, you're going to love what's coming up. Thank you so much for flying all the way here. Who are true blue, true pink, rather customers. You know, there's no color. We're all wearing pink, but any colors are welcome. We would like to introduce Cathy Doll's campaign this year. Unboxing your doll.
To see the new products of Cathy Doll Cosmetics lines. Cathy Doll has been in the market since 2016, so it has been like 8 years now. And we've enjoyed every milestone with you all. Today we will unbox new and exciting cosmetic products, and I'm sure that these products will be part of your day-to-day routine. So thank you again, everyone, and have a good day.
Okay lang kasi andito kami para i-explain sa inyo yung mga favorite products namin from Cathy Doll. And I'm just so happy na lang, dami naka-pink. Yes, ikaw.
Hello everyone, I'm so thankful na nandito kayo and may pasabog po ang Cathy Doll sa inyo, kaya abangan nyo ang pasabog.
And super excited kami i-share sa inyo yung new launch kasi sobrang kakaiba siya, like, pasabog talaga siya and for sure magugustuhan nyo ng lahat yung new product nila. Ikaw?
Yes. Ako, gusto ko muna mag-thank you sa Cathy Doll's family ko and for giving us a chance na makapunta at saka i-present namin yung Cathy Doll itself. And thank you din sa lahat ng pupunta and can't wait na masimulan na itong event natin today. Yes.
Yes. Hello po. Again, I am Dior Veneracion and I'm very thankful. Thank you po sa presence nyo dito. And ayun, I'm so excited na i-try and i-swatch yung mga new products para sa inyo lahat, diba?
Yes, exactly. Ano ba yung mga una natin tatay natin dito, Jor?
Yes. Lip serum. So, actually, before tong event na to, isa kami sa mga unang nakagamit ng mga lip serums. Ay, di ba talaga?
Kaya pala di sa good news.
Hala. Mamaya ka na.
Kaya pala ganun ah.
Yes. Yung favorite niya is yung green apple.
You know what I like? You can put while I discuss. There's a fruity scent to it.
Ayaw na ba?
Ano ba kasi? Ang hirap mo naman magpalabas. Ano ba yan?
So there is like a magic wand. As you can see, it comes off really green in color. It's a color correcting
Yes.
lip serum. How does it feel?
Ano siya, hindi siya like sticky din pakita sa paa. At saka para lang siya natural. Parang walang nakalagay na parang any substance sa lips ko.
Tsaka yung gusto ko dito is may hyaluronic acid siya, may fats of soybean. Tsaka ano siya, moisturizing, hindi siya mabigat. Yun ang number one ayaw ko sa lip serum, yung mabibigat. So, ito, very serum and gloss yung effect niya. I love anything gloss. So, nung na-try ko sa bahay, sabi ko, ay, perfect. Swatch natin, sige.
Ayan, so I swatched the grape. Okay, to be honest it's color correcting, it's not just hydrating. When you swatch anything purplish, it will brighten the complexion. So if you have dark lips, purple is good, grape is good. Yuzu naman softens brown pigmentation, this one. It's orange, so it will soften brown pigmentation on your lips. So it's perfect for medium to dark complexion. Kaya pala type ni Dion.
Yes po, naparami.
Okay lang.
Sige na, bawasan na.
Hala, buwasan daw. Doon ka na nga, kaya ko na to. Joke lang. Ang pinakagusto ko ba dito is, nagpapawis ako. Nakakainis ka, Jelly ko. Hindi. Isa sa pinakagusto ko dito is yung applicator, lalo na yung nozzle niya. Papakita ko, wait lang. Ayan, nagiging, ang cute lang ng component
Ang ganda ng
itself.
color.
Diba? Ang
Ang ganda ng
ganda.
color.
Tapos itong yuzu, when I apply this, after ilang minutes lang or maybe hours of using it, may parang orangey tint. So, ganun. Perfect yun sa mga dark lips. So, kung dark lips kayo, I suggest yung yuzu. Pero you can try all the shades para
Ay, alagaan yung lips natin. So, for me, perfect tong green apple na to, na lip serum. Kasi for me, hindi siya parang, hindi ko nararamdaman na parang may nakalagay sa lips ko. Parang siyang natural lang talaga, as in normal lang talaga yung feels. At saka ang sarap ng flavor, to be honest.
Yung lychee, peach, and raspberry. Dito naman sa tatlong to, favorite ko is yung raspberry kasi
Alasing tayo.
raspberry, di ba? As someone din na dark yung lips, I love mga red shades, ganyan. So, ayun, 179. Imagine, very affordable. Yes, kasi bumibili
Dips
ako.
ko na.
Dips mo na.
Ako na to?
Yes, other shades, ito yung peach, lychee. Yung pinaka-pink is yung lychee. Perfect to for very maputi. Di ba?
Sakto lang.
Try ulit natin. Sorry. And this one is raspberry, this one is lychee, and ito yung peach. Ayan.
So based from the swatch, the audience, can you tell me ano yung interesting for you? Perfect brows. And what I like about this is that it comes with shades that matches Filipino skin tone.
Yes. Ako naman, since dark hair, black hair ako, itong pinaka-dark, number 4 yung like kong ginagamit. So, syempre as content creators, before natin i-endorse or i-review yung product, gagamitin muna natin siya para maiwasan natin yung mga misleading informations. So, and then I tried this sa gym. Grabe, waterproof talaga siya. Para siyang, wait, paano ko ba i-explain? Para siyang pomade. So, I use this, hindi lang pang set ng hair, hindi lang pang tame ng hair. Also, ginagawa ko siyang pomade. So, kumukuha na ako ng product, yun na yung pinang-draw ko sa kilay ko.
Because this type is waterproof, so it's also sweat-proof, so it's perfect when you attach it or apply it to the skin directly, para na siyang tattoo. Okay.
By the way. And of course, we want something that has a high-end quality. Katulad ng mga products natin na ipapakita natin today. And ayan, we have here foundation, we have powder, and concealer. So excited na ba kayo? Kasi kung hindi, kailangan. And medium. Ayan. So, madam, iswatch mo sa akin para naman makita nila.
Yes. So first, ito yung pang morena. It's in the shade 03, medium beige. So ang ganda niya kasi makikita niya yung mga morena girls natin, di ba? And then yung shade next is number 2, which is light beige. So ayan, for mestiza and then for morena. So very creamy siya, Miss Tony.
And the good thing about this, hindi siya nag-set agad kasi minsan yung mga concealer, mahirap na siya i-blend once it mattifies. So this one, perfect siya i-cover yung mga dark circles or mga dark spots nyo or kung gusto nyo i-brighten yung under eyes nyo.
Yes, actually, Miss Tony, gamit ko siya ngayon.
Kaya
And
pala
hindi siya
pinili.
nag-crease. And na-try ko, full coverage siya. And ang creamy talaga, as in. ganun.
Very demure, very
Yes.
mindful ang atake natin today. Ha? Two shades then, we have light and medium.
Same with the concealer,
Okay,
light
ma.
and medium beige.
I-ano natin, iswatch na. Iswatch na buong arms. Let's go.
So while they're swatching, this is the foundation. There's also 2 shades priced at 779 pesos. Very affordable. It's light beige and medium beige. So what did you swatch?
I swatched the shade medium beige. Wala tayong light beige nito. Yes. And very lang yung niya, very creamy din yung consistency niya. And again, yan yung gamit ko today. Very
Yes,
light lang.
very light.
And actually, ang pinakagusto ko dito is may foundation ka na. May sunscreen ka pa kasi
SPF.
meron siyang SPF 50+.
Pwede kang protektahan sa UVA, UVB, and yes. Ayun lang.
Yes.
And yung powder, it has vitamin C and meron din siyang SPF like the foundation.
Yes, we also have 2 shades. Same with the foundation. We have medium and light beige. Let's watch it this story kayo.
While they're swatching, it has SPF 50 as well. It has UVA and UVB protection. And it's non-cakey. And the good part is, Tony, how about the pores? Kasi I have dry skin.
Yes.
So I can tell. How about for oily skin? How's the pores?
So as someone who has like big pores and oily skin, ang maganda dito, pag nilagay mo siya, hindi siya nag-settle sa mga pores mo and at the same time, it really has a mattifying effect. So that's what I like about this product. Ayan, as you can see. And may coverage din siya ha.
Very mattifying siya, very seamless, very weightless. And again, gamit ko din. Actually, itong tatlo, gamit ko siya ngayon.
Perfect. Perfect ka dyan tayo.
Ingredient, which is
True.
vitamin C. Diba?
And vitamin D.
So any last words that you want to share to them?
So kung naghahanap kayo ng base makeup na that's very lightweight, mattifying, and for example, katulad ko ng oily skin, this one is perfect for you.
Yes, and even though hindi oily skin, I have this combination, it works perfectly fine for me. So I think, kailangan nyo ding matry itong new products na
Tama. Perfect.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Cha and Tony. Isoli nyo yung tester. Happy birthday. Just joking. Thank you. Wait, moment muna. Moment. Tap, tap.
Hello everyone! I'm Lenny Aicardo and ayun po, nagta-transition po ako sa TikTok. Pero hindi ko po kaya ng live. Gusto ko yung kasi mag-request ng live.
Muntik na.
Kailangan ko po yung team.
Ang cute, no? Sorry, I'm in awe kasi you're very beautiful on TikTok, but really even more beautiful in person.
Thank you so much po.
And congratulations for the millions and millions and millions of views and followers from around the globe. So, Philippine Pride.
Nakakahiya.
Huwag ka na mahiya. I-claim natin yan. So, Lenny, I heard that you have used some Catty Doll products for your Ahsoka Makeup Challenge and other challenges. So, can you share to me how you did that and what type of Catty Doll products you use or had you used?
Actually, meron na talaga akong Catty Doll products before pa. Kasi nga super cute ng mga products nila. And as a Kikay girl, hindi pwedeng mawalan ako ng product ng Catty Doll. And yung personal makeup ko kasi, ayun, nandun yung mga Catty Doll products, so yung mga eyeliner nila, lipstick, ganun. Ayun yung ginamit ni Haji sa akin, yung mga personal makeup ko with Catty Doll products.
And of course, I can see that beauty, talented, skilled. What else can you not do, right? So, can you tell us more about the Catty Doll CC cream that you have used? I heard you use it.
Yes.
Yeah, how can you share your experience?
Gumagamit na po talaga ako ng CC cream before pa. Kasi di ba parang kapag lagi kang nagme-makeup ng makapal, parang everyday yung makeup look mo, hahanap ka na lang ng mga lightweight makeup. And ayun yung ginagamit ko, yung CC cream ni Catty Doll. Super lightweight niya and pwede mo din siyang gamitin as primer bago ka rin mag-makeup.
Out of these products, have you tried any of these products and pick your favorite and tell us about it?
Actually, yung mga, mga bago po ata to.
Oo, kasi may luma eh.
Yes,
This
ito
is
yung mga CC cream talaga yung ginagamit ko before. Kasi nga, parang sawang-sawa na ako sa mga makakapal ng foundation. Kasi nga, ayun ang ginagamit ko for event, for makeup. So, pag mga everyday makeup look ko, ito na lang, CC cream na lang. Kasi parang nakakapagpahinga din yung face ko.
So, since she said she's doing a lot of makeup and I think I saw your video, you're starting to break out sometimes.
Yes.
Girl, eto, hawakan mo na, kunin mo na. This is the anti-acne line. This is the CC Cream Anti-Acne with SPF 50. It's priced at 599 pesos. It's ultra blendable, nourishing, and brightening CC cream that prevents oil, acne, and replace like damaged skin. It's moisturizing with ceramide. So, Lenny, I know that you have very sensitive skin. You don't have to worry about this kasi it has Centella asiatica, which is
Yes, one of my favorite ingredients sa mga CC cream or sa mga, kahit sa skincare. Kasi parang naliles niya yung mga dark spots, red spots, mga ganun sa face. Tinitignan ko po muna yung texture po niya.
so she's testing out the texture because this is actually newly
Ang ganda niya
launched.
sa skin. Kung mahilig ka sa mga CC cream and gusto mo yung mga dewy look, hindi ka mahilig mag-powder, pwede siya. Ang ganda niya. Yes. So, i-swatch po natin siya kay Ate Hazel.
And to prove that it also works with other skin tone, maybe I'll call someone who has a little bit of a darker complexion kasi Miss Hazel is very fair. Maybe, sino kayang pwede natin? Miss Kim. Hindi naman siya dark, pero she has more of a mahilig mag-travel sa Korea skin. Aminin mo, it's true. Miss Lenny, challenge kita kaagad on your first assignment. And also, while she's applying, there's also a CC cream here in purple called Speed Cover. This one covers and conceals as well. Ayan, let's see. Ayan, oh, you don't see it anymore. That's really what I love about Catty Doll products. Lenny? Sorry. What do you like about these two shades that you see?
Ayun, pwede siya sa lahat ng skin tone. Hindi siya yung pagka medyo dark yung skin tone mo, nag-white siya sa skin. So hindi, nagbi-blend siya ng maayos sa skin natin. And ang pinaka gusto ko talaga is super lightweight niya. Kahit hindi ko siya ilagay sa kamay ko, hindi ko siya mararamdaman. Parang wala kang ina-apply. Gusto kong sabihin sa inyo na pwede nyo siyang i-add talaga sa mga collections nyo. Kasi, feeling ko naman, halos lahat sa inyo is gusto ng mga lightweight, ng mga CC cream, ganyan. Kasi syempre, di ba, as a beauty content creator, syempre sawag-sawa na tayo sa mga makakapal na foundation. And ito yung parang feeling ko na, parang magiging gem sa collection nyo. Kaya pwede nyo siyang i-add sa mga collection nyo. Thank you so much po!
Thank you so much. Thank you for everyone for joining us with this simple product launch. Thank you for coming on your busy schedules. I would like to acknowledge the Carmart team flying just last night to join us here. The Watson's team, Ma'am, thank you so much for your support ever since we started. And our team, thank you for working hard on this. Our faithful KOLs, some 10 years na namin kasama, honestly, and still here. So again, thank you everyone. Thank you, Haji and Lenny. It's a pleasure to meet you personally. I hope you enjoyed this get-together and have a great week ahead. Thank you very much.